I'm the oldest person on the street.
Phil, Jesus Christ.
Look, here. It interlocks.
What's up, guys? Nicole here. I recently took this boring ass white wall and turned it into this not so boring ass wall. In this video, I will be sharing with you the step-by-step process we took to build and install this French Cleat Wall here. I will also be sharing my top 5 reasons why this wall changed my studio forever. Not only changed my studio, but changed my life. Yep. Let's get into it. Some of you may be asking,
What's a French Cleat Wall?
well, lucky for you, I got my trusty little Wikipedia. Oh, I lost it. Well, lucky for you, I got my trusty little Wikipedia right here in the palm of my hand. A French cleat is a way of securing a cabinet, mirror, or artwork, like we have here, or other objects to a wall. It is a molding with a 30 to 45 degree slope used to hang cabinets or other objects. That's the definition. Now let me give you a little demonstration. Cut it on a 45-degree angle. The other piece here on a 45-degree angle. Pop that in. Screw a canvas to this piece, and it hangs on the wall as such.
Right.
Hello everyone, we're here with our neighbor, Fast Eddie. He's letting us use his table saw.
Hello. They called me the mayor of this street here. I'm not going to tell you where it is, but the reason why I'm the mayor, I'm the oldest person on the street, 76.
I'm second oldest.
And he's my associate.
I'm the assistant mayor.
Now we're about to
Oh,
cut this wood up here. It's for this lady at this shop,
Some crazy lady.
some artist.
oh,
Her paintings start at 2,000 to 3,000 minimum.
oh really?
Per square inch.
So
Get them while they're hot.
anybody that wants to buy them better get them now because they're going to increase in price. Right?
Give it,
Yeah.
do a
just
thumbs
like,
up. Yeah.
Come and see this.
Here, look, this is what we want.
Okay.
We want one piece to be forever on the wall, and then you put the other piece,
Look
and
here.
it interlocks.
Here, look. Here's, it's like a frame. And now you want cut one corner on a 45, and then it goes
No.
underneath.
No, no,
No,
not
no
like that.
corner.
Okay, hang on to that.
This image is exactly what we want.
Oh, yeah. Here's what you're going to cut.
Right here.
45 like this.
No.
No.
From the middle.
No, you
Yeah.
can't.
Yeah.
Show that.
Yeah,
We
see?
want that.
You need
Look,
like that.
so look.
That's the
Yeah,
middle.
but look. You're not reading this right. Look.
Yeah.
You're not touching this.
No,
No,
this
listen.
is one piece.
What?
So see here, this diagram. This is our piece of wood.
Yeah.
Then they cut it in the middle on 45 degrees. See?
Okay.
You down
It's
here.
very bad.
It's gonna be bad.
No, it'll be fine.
Careful! Oh my God! Did you cut?
Is that okay?
Yeah, well, hey, it's okay with me.
Oh my God! You guys are crazy.
No, it's just a jam. Measure it.
I did.
On that side to cut.
It doesn't matter. Right on the line, I guess. She's
Cut.
gonna use every piece.
Cut that way first so I can get a. Oh, okay. So right now, Ed's just gonna cut the second part of the cleat, which is the part that will go onto the back of the canvas. Show it to the camera, Ed. Wow, look at that.
Come here.
All right, so first things first, we wanted to find where all the studs were in the wall. Whenever you're hanging something heavy duty, you always gotta find the studs first. Then we kind of mapped out like where we wanted the starting point of the French cleat to be, and we made marks on the wood where the studs would be on the wall. And we gave each other a little kiss. We marked where the studs were so that we could pre-drill the holes, just so the wood wouldn't split. Then we put it back up on the wall, made sure all our holes lined up with where we had marked the studs on the wall. And then, the most important part, we made sure it was level. Always bring a level to these events, my friends. And then we just started drilling the screws into the wood and the wood into the wall. Made sure it was level again and drilled another screw. Maybe that's all we need. Phil, Jesus Christ. Yeah, like it smells like smoke because you smoked it.
There's no smoke.
It smells like smoke. Then we lined up all the other pieces of wood. Again, we marked where the studs would be. We pre-drilled those holes, and we kind of just repeated the whole process about, I think we did it 5 times? 6 times maybe? We'll see. Reason number 1, it's great for displaying your paintings for studio visits. So I have a studio tour coming up and people are gonna be in and out of the studio. Instead of rummaging through this canvas storage I have over here, which by the way, check out the video, I'll have the link in the description for that below. I'll have them displayed on this wall and people can just view them, picture them in their homes and see themselves buying it. It's actually proven if you have stuff on the wall instead of all stacked up against each other, people are more likely to buy your work. I don't know if that's true. Now the first point lets us flawlessly transition into the second, which is you can easily move around your display without having to make multiple holes in the wall. Because let's face it, it's annoying having to make more holes every single time you want to hang something. Whereas if you have this system, you can just easily switch them in and out, put up whatever painting you want, take down whatever painting you want, and you're good to go. Reason number 3, it's a flexible, easy setup for working on different paintings and different size paintings. This is great, especially when you're working on a series of paintings and you want to have some continuity throughout your pieces. Easels are great, but we all know they're a bit of a pain in the ass, especially for pregnant women. Having to bend down, struggling with that big belly of yours. Sometimes it glitches, sometimes you can't move it, sometimes you gotta call your husband in to move it for you, and this just makes your life so much easier. Reason number 4, it's great for large scale work. I'm sure we've all ran into the issue of having a flimsy little easel and trying to work with a big canvas on that easel. Usually the canvas flops over one way, or becomes unbalanced and topples over the other way. But with this system, you do not have to worry about that. Reason number 5, the final reason, it is perfect for photographing your work. Your work will be flush on the wall, making it delightful to take pictures of. You'll spend way less time fidgeting around with it afterwards in the editing process, and you can get super even lighting this way. Now I have these big old windows back here which make it perfect on those cloudy, overcast days. I can just shoot all my paintings on this wall. And I have one more bonus reason. It is a huge space saver. Instead of having your canvases all sprawled out all over your studio, you can have them displayed up on your wall, saving space for you to run around and do whatever you want. This is an amazing system to have for artists, so I hope you all get your little butts over to a wall and build one of these for yourself. In the meantime, be sure to check out the canvas storage video I made, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Catch y'all on the flip side.